Hey, my name is Jonesy. Today I'm going to show you what happens to an iPad when you hit restore in iTunes. So as you can see, I have my iPad connected to iTunes, and two things happen when you press restore iPad. I'm going to go ahead and press the button, but I'm not actually going to restore it. But first of all, you can see that you have the option to back up your iPad before you choose restore. That is obviously recommended. That way you won't lose any of your information, photos, any apps, documents you have on your iPad. You don't want to lose it, so you obviously would probably like to back that up. However, if you want a clean start, you just go ahead and don't back up, because what's going to happen when you press that button is the iPad is going to be completely wiped clean, and it is going to be a brand new, fresh iPad at that point in time. So that's what happens when you press restore. So once again, my name's Jonesy, and I just showed you what happens to an iPad when you hit restore in iTunes.